Hello and welcome guys back again to another new video. In this video we will discuss the types of insurance. In the last video we have discussed the other types and introduction of insurance. So let's start. First of all, general insurance. On the other hand, general insurance are the non-life insurance policies wherein the insurance provider protects you from valuable assets from burglary, fire, or any such unfortunate events. Below mentioned are the different types of general insurance policies. So let's discuss them. Health insurance. Do you know, guys, what is health insurance? I will teach you. Just like other valuable assets, health is the most crucial aspect of anyone's well-being. Thus, it is very important to cover health under insurance as it helps in providing financial assistance if something serious happens to the policy holder. In any country, all the general insurances provide a very wide range of health insurance policies for individuals and entire family. Health insurance policies tend to cover any unexpected hospitalization expenses, medical bills, ambulance costs, room and nursing expenses, pre and post hospitalization cost, critical illnesses and personal accident, death and disabilities. So if there any illness in your family, then you can be insured easily through a comprehensive health insurance policy. Let's move towards the next type of insurance, that is motor insurance. Do you know what is motor insurance? No? So I will teach you. As the name suggests, the motor insurance policy covers your bike or car or any commercial vehicle from any third party liabilities and also damages which are caused to your vehicle from burglary, accident, collision, or any man made or natural calamities. Selecting the right insurance policy ensures complete protection for your vehicle, which can be further customized by using select add-ons to get enhanced coverage. Also, as per Motor Vehicles Act, it is mandatory in any country for every vehicle to have a minimum third-party insurance cover. Let's move towards the next type of insurance. Next type is home insurance. Do you know, guys, what is home insurance? I will teach you. Home insurance is also another kind of general insurance which protects your entire home and its various contents. Also, whether you are a homeowner or live as a tenant, home insurance policy provides protection to your house from any unfortunate events such as fire, burglary, flood, etc. So let's move to the next insurance type, which is travel insurance. Travel insurance is a really booming in any country as a lot of people have started exploring domestic as well as international destinations. Travel insurance policy is helpful as it covers any financial loss due to lost luggage or lost passport, and most importantly, any kind of hospitalization emergencies while you are traveling away from home. So, do you know, guys, what are the benefits of purchasing an insurance policy? Do you know? No. Okay, I will teach you. First is protection. There is no doubt about that buying an insurance policy does not only provide a safety net to you but your entire family. The insurance provider is liable to compensate you or your dependents the predetermined amount of coverage amount at the time of unforeseen contingencies and also keep your family protected even in your absence. Long-term savings. It is important to consider insurance not only for your protection but at times it also helps in building long-term wealth. So if you are seeking to create a long-term saving, then suitable insurance products might help you to save in a disciplined manner and thus build a corpus for your future. High coverage at low cost premiums. Insurance is the only tool which helps you compensate for the loss of damage financially when something goes wrong with you and your valuable assets. The best part of the insurance is that it can be easily obtained at a low cost and ensures high coverage. The high coverage is the lesser the premium and the earlier you start, the less expensive it is. Let's move to premium payment flexibility. The premium amount which you paid for receiving the insurance coverage can be given to the company as per your convenience. The policyholder has the full liability and thus can choose to pay premium monthly, semi-annually or annually. There are also several insurance policies which allows the policyholder to pay a single premium payment option. Save tax. The premium that you can pay for insurance policy can help you save money on tax under sections of Income Tax Act. However, it is to be noted that the tax advantages are based on existing tax regulations which are subject to change. I hope you guys like this video. If you like, then follow us and subscribe us. Thank you so much.